What truly fuels explosive company growth? Companies that scale successfully solve a clear problem, measure results rigorously, and prioritize repeatable processes. The problem is simple. Many businesses plateau because they rely on luck, charismatic founders, or one-off wins instead of systems. To analyze that failure, we look at three core drivers: market fit, scalable operations, and measurable acquisition. Market fit means delivering a product that customers not only buy, but adopt and recommend. Early-stage teams test hypotheses rapidly, collect quantitative feedback, and iterate until retention signals align with growth. The data story begins with cohorts, activation rates, and lifetime value. When LTV exceeds customer acquisition costs sustainably, growth becomes investable. Scalable operations transform individual heroics into predictable output that requires documented processes, repeatable sales playbooks, and automation where humans add judgment rather than rote work. Scaling teams hire for roles that multiply capacity, product managers, growth engineers, and customer success leaders, and align incentives to long-term metrics, not short-term vanity numbers. Customer acquisition must be measurable and diversified. High-performing companies combine paid channels, partnerships, and organic demand generation. They test channel mix with controlled experiments, allocate capital to channels with proven unit economics, and optimize funnel conversion at each stage. The most resilient models balance acquisition efficiency with scale potential. Capital and timing matter, but they are amplifiers, not substitutes for repeatability. Funding accelerates proven engines, it does not create product-market fit. Savvy leaders use capital to remove bottlenecks, expand capacity, deepen analytics, and accelerate customer acquisition once unit economics are validated. Culture and decision-making speed are hidden multipliers. A data-driven culture democratizes metrics, enabling frontline teams to act on leading indicators. Faster learning cycles reduce wasted spend and shorten time to scale. Leaders who institutionalize rapid experimentation win the iteration race. We can see these principles in company archetypes. First, the tight product-market fit winner scales through viral hooks and natural retention, converting product use into growth. Second, the operational scaler wins by systematizing sales and support, enabling consistent margin expansion. Third, the distribution maestro invests aggressively in channels with predictable returns, building defensible cost advantages. Execution is a sequence. Identify the problem in measurable terms, design a repeatable solution, instrument every step, and then optimize. Metrics to monitor include activation rate, churn, LTV, CAC ratio, gross margin, and growth rate by cohort. Regularly stress test assumptions with experiments and adjust resource allocation to the highest performing levers. Common pitfalls derail scaling attempts. Over-investing before validating unit economics, neglecting retention while chasing new logos, and ignoring operational debt all lead to inefficient growth. The remedy is disciplined staging. Validate, standardize, scale. Validate with experiments, standardize the playbooks that work, and scale with capital and talent aligned to those playbooks. The takeaway is pragmatic. Growth is not a mystery or a talent show, it is an engineering problem solved by measurement, process, and disciplined resource allocation. Companies that treat growth as repeatable science, testing, measuring, and institutionalizing what works, consistently outperform those that rely on charisma or luck. If you want to build a growth engine, start by defining the metrics that matter, run focused experiments, and codify the processes that deliver predictable results. Growth follows when strategy, operations, and analytics align toward the same measurable goals. Remember, scale is the payoff of repeatability and rigor, not a gamble.